Here's a quick little test regarding company pages, commenting as a company page, and commenting on company page post as an admin. So first of all, commenting on a post as a company page. So I got to mention the company. There's Burris Consulting. I'm going to post that. Now you can see there's the comment. And so, and by the way, I wish I would have seen that here. Down here, I can usually see some kind of activity when I'm mentioned. So I'm going to comment back as Teddy. Yeah, I bet. At Burris Consulting. Can reply back. So I'm going to post that. I'm going to hit refresh. I want to see this change. And there you can see the activity right there. So if I go click on that, and mention your company in an update, mention your company in a comment. So what's really cool here is I'm in admin view. If I bring this up, there I am. So what I did was from the company admin view, I clicked on this, it opened up another tab, and now you can see I'm commenting. Hey folks, you can comment on a post as long as you open that post from your LinkedIn company page and a post. Now if I come down here, I can still reply as Burris Consulting. Now if I close this down and see here's where I mentioned the update, I can do the same thing as long as you open it from the company admin view. Click on that. And now the comment is Burris Consulting. And if I go here, I'm replying a comment is Burris Consulting. Here's the other thing. Someone said, hey, from your company page, how can you, as an admin, comment on a company post? So I go to my page here in the admin view. If I go look at any content, and if I go comment, I'm commenting as the business. However, if I view as member, so now you can see Burris Consulting made this post, but I'm viewing it as a member, not as the admin. And so now if I come down here and comment, I'm commenting as Teddy. View your company page post either in the member view or in the LinkedIn newsfeed, and you will comment as the individual, not the company page. So it's really cool. Again, you can go back to home. Again, this is important. If you're commenting from the newsfeed, you're commenting as the person. But if you go view this post from the company page as the admin, and if you click on the, where's the activity? If you click on the post from this view, it opens a new tab, and now you're commenting or you're replying as the business. And the next thing is if you're in the company page and you go to comment, you're commenting as the business unless you switch to view as member. And then when you comment, or you are commenting as the person. Hey folks, this is Teddy, Burris Consulting. Hope that's helpful.